Are you a content creator or a small business owner looking to take your business to the next level, but you're feeling scared, you don't know if you're ready? So today I'm going to share a story with you. A few months ago, I was in this exact situation. I wanted to take a leap and do something on my business to take it to the next level, but I was very scared of the investment because it was a big investment. The investment that I made was the biggest investment that I've made so far in my business. It was $2,000 for a course platform and a onboarding business coaching program, basically. And it felt really scary. I felt I wasn't ready for it, but I took a leap, and honestly, it completely changed the game for me. In 2022, I decided to open an Etsy shop and sell my Notion templates. And fast forward 1 year later, I sold over 2,000 templates. I have a website, and now I have online courses where I basically teach people how to use Notion. And another course, I teach how to sell Notion templates, which are things that I already do. As I started to sell my Notion templates, I started to get a lot of questions. A lot of people are new to Notion, don't know how to use it, and all those things. And I started to realize that I was really enjoying it, like teaching people and helping others to understand. And I thought before, like, to create an online course, you have to be super expert, you have to be the best. And I had a lot of limiting beliefs around this, but I understood that to help someone to create an online course, all you need is to be one step ahead of the person that you want to help. And that's the mindset that I started my course. The first ever online course that I've created was a free course in Udemy. I just created a course that I wanted to create. It wasn't something that I did research for it, that people were looking for. I just created something that I wanted and that I was excited about, just to see how it was creating a course, just to get the experience and all these things. And that's why the course was free as well. And then I decided, after a while, to make this investment. So I bought Teachery and WAIM. WAIM, it stands for Wandering Infinity, which is the program that I'm joined. So it's basically a onboarding coaching program. It's lifetime access. You get whatever they create forever. And not only that, the main thing for me that made me join was the Teachery lifetime access. So now that I joined WAIM Unlimited, I get access not only to monthly coaching sessions in group with other small business owners, but I also get lifetime access to Teachery, which means that I can host my online courses forever and I don't have to pay a monthly fee for it. And of course, I was very scared to pay this price because it was a lot of money for me that time. And yeah, it feels scary. Whenever you're going to make a decision on your business, it feels scary, especially if it involves money. You know, you keep thinking about like how long it took for you to make that money. And if you make a mistake, you know, you start overthinking. But you have to think about your long-term goals. That's what I did. And because I knew that I was excited about teaching, that I didn't want to be just a person that sells Notion templates forever. I was ready to go one step ahead. And that's when I decided to launch my first online course, paid online course, which is Simplifying Notion. This course is all about how to use Notion. So it didn't take me that long to create. I did it all by myself. I recorded the tutorials, and I created the templates to give to my customers. And it felt really scary to launch this course and, you know, to sell it. And it's super scary. But on my first launch, I nearly was very close. The amount of money that I made in the course was very close to the price that I paid for Teachery. And basically, I don't have to pay. And I launched my second online course. And this course wasn't a course that I planned to do. It was my customers, my email list were basically asking for this course. And that's when I decided, okay, I'm just going to create a minimal viable product. I'm just going to create some things to get started. And I was surprised by the amount of people that were interested in this course. And it was a higher ticket. So basically, I already made cover the investment that I made. And it completely changed the game for my business now, because I have 2 digital products that I can sell forever. And that I feel super excited to work on it, because it's something that I love doing. And I have the community now. I'm growing my small community of Notion friends that want to sell their Notion templates. So it's something that I feel super excited to work on. And Teachery is an amazing platform for creatives. If you like to personalize everything and custom, add your own brand into it, Teachery is the perfect platform for you, because I don't know about you, but I sometimes feel like these courses are so boring. They all look the same. They're basically the same. They just change the button colors. And I, as a creative person, I love to customize everything. And that's why I decided to go with Teachery. And I was in awe when I saw the amount of things that I got from it. The investment is so low compared to the things that I've got. One of the main struggles I had when I started my business was what to focus on. What do I have to do now? There's so many things that we can do. We can do social media, we can do email marketing, we can do so many things, and we can't do them all at the same time, especially in my case that I was working full time. I only had a couple of hours a month during the week to work on my business. So I was really struggling to get clear on what I need to focus on. And this is what the monthly coaching calls really help me, because they are very specific. They help any kind of business, but they are very focused on creating more freedom in selling digital products, which is the way for more freedom, in my opinion, because once you have a digital product that you can sell forever and that can sell by themselves like over time and keep selling, it's not something that you're trading your time for money. That's when you start creating freedom on your life. But I am super grateful that I had the courage to do this, and not only to pay the thing, you have to pay, you can split in payments. I split mine in 5 payments. I already paid off. And what is really amazing is on my launch, I just launched the Passive Income Academy for the last time in 2023. And on my first day, I made more money than working full-time in hospital, like in one day. And I was like completely shocked. And doing something that I love doing, something that I am so excited about doing. If you are planning to sell digital products, or you already have digital products, you plan on creating courses and creating a community. I am an affiliate for Teachery, and I'm really excited to be an affiliate with, because I love this course, and I love the platform. I love the coaching program, and I love everything about it. So I have this affiliate link that I get a commission if you use the link without any extra cost for you, of course. And for those that are joining in this round using my affiliate link, I'm going to be giving a one-to-one call, so you can ask me any questions about how to set up your course, how to plan your course, anything you want to ask me. And you also get my course kit Notion template, which is the template that I use to plan my courses, organize the lessons, the goals, the sales page, and everything. And you also get Canva templates. It's the same Canva templates that I use to customize my course in Teachery. So I'm going to be giving them for all those that join using my link. And yeah, so if you have any questions about Teachery, I understand it can be a big investment. If you want to do a trial first, you can also, I'm going to leave the link here. You can do a trial. It's $50 a month. And one of the reasons that I'm so excited to share about Teachery and help other creators to go in Teachery as well is because it fits my brain. And it also fits my budget because I plan on hosting my courses forever until Notion exists or until I want to. And if I'm hosting, let's say, Kajabi or other course platforms, you have to pay a monthly fee and it's not cheap. I've been researching a lot. You can do your own research, but it's very expensive. So when you think about hosting a course long term and paying a monthly fee just to get that course to stay live, that's something that I didn't want to do. And yeah, I found Teachery and it fits my brain. It's perfect. I really enjoy it and they are always doing improvements. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Teachery, about anything about WAIM, about the monthly coaching, you can always send me a DM on my Instagram at Leticia America. If you want to stay connected, make sure you join my newsletter. I'll leave the link below. It's Freedom Club Tuesday. I send only one email a week with my best things that I can share with you, free things that can help you to create content, to grow your business, and anything related to productivity, digital products, and freedom, because that's all I am. If you have any questions about Teachery or WAIM, you can leave the questions in the comments and I'll answer them all, or you can send me a DM. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!